You're probably here because you have a key fob that looks something like this, a newer Ford key fob. In my case, this belongs to a Ford Bronco. Most newer Ford key fobs, though, look just like this. And first things first, there's a hidden physical key in here. See this button? Maybe you didn't notice it was a button, but if you push it, it'll reveal the hidden physical key. And this is really important. This is what you use if your car battery dies and you can't unlock it with the fob, or if your fob battery dies and you can't unlock it with the fob. So it's good to know that that's there. And then we use this key to open up the fob to change the battery. Watch this. There's a slot here, and it's designed to perfectly fit the key. Let me show you a closer look at that slot. Pop the key in there. Just kind of turn the key, and it'll start opening up the fob. Give it some pressure. It does take some pressure to snap this thing open. And then once you get that piece of plastic off the back, this is the battery. It's a CR2450. Do yourself a favor, grab a multi-pack. I put a link. They're really cheap down in the description. Use that link. You can find them. Just keep them on hand. And to get this thing out, use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip or even a ballpoint pen. Stick it in this little notch right here, and it'll pop the battery right out. It's actually really easy if you use something like this SIM ejector tool. And so once you pop it out, it's as easy as taking this battery out and putting in a fresh one. Now you'll notice it was print side up or positive side up. See that plus sign on there? And that's important to know because when you put it back in, you got to put it back in the same way you took it out. So put that positive side up, and then notice when I put this back together. This is important because it won't go back together correctly unless you put the smaller side in first and then push and clip the rest of it back together. It's pretty easy once you know how to do it. Take the key, slide it back into the slot where it came from, and once you push it in all the way, you'll actually hear it click when that button snaps back into place, just like that. There you go. Hopefully that was helpful. Again, grab yourself a multi-pack of batteries. I've got that link in the description. It's great to have those on hand. And subscribe to our channel. We've got cool life tips. Every day we post a brand new video here on The Solution Factory.